Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our world. It uses algorithms and data to make decisions. AI impacts many industries. Among the most affected are healthcare, finance, and education. This essay explores these changes. AI is revolutionizing diagnostics in healthcare, bringing unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, far beyond human capability. These sophisticated algorithms detect subtle patterns that humans might miss, ensuring nothing is overlooked. This leads to early and accurate diagnoses, which are crucial for effective treatment. One prominent example is in medical imaging, where AI excels. AI systems analyze X-rays and MRIs with remarkable speed, identifying abnormalities quickly and accurately. This not only speeds up the diagnostic process, but also significantly reduces human error. AI also plays a pivotal role in predictive analytics, offering insights into future health trends. It uses comprehensive patient data to predict potential diseases before they manifest. This is especially useful for managing chronic conditions, providing proactive care. Early prediction can lead to better management and treatment, preventing complications. These advancements improve patient outcomes and significantly reduce healthcare costs. Early diagnosis often means less invasive treatments, which are less stressful for patients. This is a major benefit of AI in healthcare, transforming the way we approach medical diagnostics. Personalized medicine is another area where AI excels, revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare. It tailors treatment to individual patients, ensuring that each person receives the most effective care possible. This is based on genetic and lifestyle data, which provides a comprehensive understanding of each patient's unique needs. AI makes this process efficient by quickly analyzing complex data sets. It analyzes vast amounts of data and identifies the best treatments for each patient, offering a level of precision that was previously unattainable. This is especially useful in cancer treatment, where personalized approaches can significantly impact outcomes. Personalized medicine improves survival rates and offers hope to many patients. AI also plays a crucial role in drug development, making the process more efficient. It predicts how patients will respond to drugs, allowing for more targeted therapies. This speeds up the development process and reduces the cost of bringing new drugs to market, benefiting both patients and the healthcare system. Patients receive treatments that are more effective and tailored to their specific conditions. This reduces side effects and improves the quality of life, making healthcare more patient-centric. Personalized medicine is a game-changer in healthcare, transforming the way we treat and manage diseases. AI is also used in robotic surgery. Robots assist surgeons in complex procedures. They provide precision and control, which reduces the risk of complications. Robotic surgery is less invasive, so patients recover faster and experience less pain and scarring. AI-powered robots are making surgeries safer and more effective. AI also improves administrative efficiency in hospitals. It automates tasks like scheduling and billing. This reduces the workload on staff and minimizes errors. Hospitals become more efficient, leading to cost savings and improved patient care. AI is transforming many aspects of healthcare. Section 5. AI in Finance. Revolutionizing fraud detection. AI is making finance safer. It detects fraud in real time. Machine learning algorithms analyze transactions. They identify suspicious activities quickly. This is crucial in preventing financial crimes. AI systems alert authorities immediately. They reduce the risk of fraud. This protects both customers and institutions. AI also enhances security measures. It monitors account activity constantly. Any unusual behavior is flagged. This adds an extra layer of protection. AI's role in fraud detection is vital. It makes the finance sector safer. Customers can trust their financial institutions. This is a significant benefit of AI in finance. Section 6. AI in Finance. Enhancing customer service with chatbots. AI-powered chatbots are transforming customer service. They provide instant responses to queries. This improves customer satisfaction. Chatbots are available 24/7. They handle routine inquiries efficiently. This frees up human agents for complex issues. AI chatbots learn from interactions. They become more effective over time. AI also personalizes customer service. It provides tailored recommendations. This enhances the customer experience. Financial institutions benefit from increased loyalty. Chatbots reduce operational costs. They handle multiple queries simultaneously. This improves efficiency. AI is revolutionizing customer service in finance. Section 7. AI in Finance. Optimizing investment strategies. AI is changing how investments are managed. It uses algorithms to analyze market trends, and this leads to better investment decisions. AI optimizes portfolios for maximum returns. Algorithmic trading is a key application. AI systems execute trades at high speeds and react to market changes instantly. This reduces the risk of losses. AI also provides predictive analytics, forecasting market trends. Investors can make informed decisions, increasing profitability. AI makes investing more accessible. It provides tools for individual investors, allowing them to compete with institutional investors. AI is democratizing the finance sector. Section 8. AI in Education. Personalized learning and adaptive technologies. AI is transforming education. It personalizes learning experiences and adapts to students' needs, improving learning outcomes. Adaptive learning platforms are a prime example. They assess students' strengths and weaknesses, then adjust the curriculum accordingly. This ensures each student gets the support they need. AI also provides real-time feedback, so students know their progress instantly. This helps them stay motivated. Educators can also track performance easily. Personalized learning makes education more effective by catering to individual needs. This is a major benefit of AI in education. Section 9. AI in Education. Virtual tutors and interactive learning. AI tools make learning more interactive. Virtual tutors are one such tool. They provide personalized instruction, which is especially useful for remote learning. Virtual tutors are available anytime and offer instant help, supporting students' learning outside the classroom. AI-powered tutors adapt to each student's pace. AI also integrates with VR and AR, making learning immersive. Students can explore concepts in 3 dimensions, enhancing understanding and retention. Interactive learning makes education engaging and keeps students interested. AI tools are making learning more accessible and fun. Section 10 Conclusion: AI's transformative impact and future potential. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, finance, and education, bringing unprecedented changes to these fields. It improves diagnostics and personalized medicine, assists in robotic surgery, and enhances the precision of medical procedures, and handles administrative tasks, enhancing patient care and operational efficiency in hospitals. In finance, AI detects fraud, enhances customer service, and provides real-time data analysis. It optimizes investment strategies, making the sector safer and more efficient, while also predicting market trends. Education is also transforming. AI personalizes learning and provides virtual tutors. offering tailored educational experiences, making learning interactive and accessible to a wider audience. These changes improve educational outcomes, fostering a more engaging and effective learning environment. AI brings many benefits, but challenges remain. Ethical concerns and job displacement are significant issues that need addressing. Balancing innovation with these challenges is key to ensuring a positive impact. AI's potential is vast and far-reaching. It can solve complex problems and improve our lives in many ways, from daily conveniences to groundbreaking advancements. Understanding its role and implications is essential for harnessing its full potential. The future of AI is promising and exciting, with endless possibilities on the horizon.